Hello all. Okay, so today we will start nervous system, okay, anatomy. So what do you mean by nervous system? Nervous system, it is a very important unit in our anatomy syllabus. So nervous system means basically the system concerns with nerves, okay? Nerves. Nervous means nerves, right? So let's see the meaning. A complex collection of nerves and specialized cells, neurons that transmit signals between different parts of our body. It is a collection of nerves, okay, collection many nerves, right? There are many nerves, collection of nerves and specialized cell neurons. Okay, so now I will tell you what is nerves and neurons. The meaning of nerve is nerves are long thin fibers. They looks like this, long thin fibers. Nerves basically looks like artery and vein. They all look the same. So it is a long thin fibers that transfer information. Okay, transfer information between the brain and the body. Now neuron. Okay, here we studied neuron, specialized cell neuron. See what is the meaning of neuron. Neuron meaning neuron is a tissue that make or form nerve. Nerve is a long thin fiber and this long thin fiber are made from neurons. Okay, neurons are the tissue. Neurons made nerve and then nerve is a long thin fibers and this transfer information. I hope that's clear, right? Okay, so I hope the meaning is clear. That is a collection of nerve and they transmit signals from different part of our body. And the definition, okay, a system of the body, okay, nervous system is a system of our body that includes the brain, the spinal cord, nerves, sense organs responsible for receiving, interpreting, responding to stimuli from inside and outside of the body, from inside and outside of the body. Okay, so I hope that you all all know the meaning of all these terms. Brain you all know, spinal cord you all know, nerves you all know, sense organ means I hope you all know sense organs, eyes, ears, tongue, skin. These are all sense organs, okay, basically helping us in sensing things, any kind of hot, cold, any kind of any smell, we are seeing something, all because of sense organs. Okay, so I hope you all know. So all this brain, spinal cord, nerve, sense organ, all this make nervous system. Okay, all these are responsible for making nervous system. So they are responsible for, they do what, their function is what, their function is receiving, interpreting and responding to stimuli inside and outside of the body. Stimuli means any external any external activity which can cause us to respond, like when we touch something hot, so this is that hot thing is a stimuli. Okay, right now this pain this pain is poking right now you. Okay, this pain is poking you, so you will do what, make a response. So this pain is a stimuli. I hope this is clear. So the sense organs, brain, spinal cord, nerves, all are responsible for receiving. They receive the they receive the stimuli, they interpret the stimuli. Okay, so the pain is poking me, so I have to remove my hand from there. So this is understanding, interpreting the thing, and then respond by moving our hand. Okay, so this is a respond. So receiving, interpreting and responding to stimuli inside and outside of the body. Okay, so if this definition is too hard for you, then you can write this simple one. The nervous system is a complex network of nerves. It is a network of nerve or collection of nerve and cells that carry message from to and from the brain and spinal cord, that carry message to and from the brain of spinal cord to, that carry message to, okay, that carry message to the brain and spinal cord and from the brain and spinal cord to the body. From the body carry message to the brain and spinal cord, then after interpreting and after that they will carry the message from the brain and spinal cord to the body. I hope it's clear. Let's move to the next. Okay, now the division of nervous system. So nervous system are divided into basically two parts, which is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central means the middle portion of our body, and the middle portion of our body have brain and spinal cord. Okay, these two are attached to brain and spinal cord. So brain and spinal cord are, these two are the part of central nervous system. And peripheral means the, the side part of our body, the hands, the legs, these are comes under the, peripheral side of our body. So peripheral nervous system is basically divided into two parts. Okay, I will show you the peripheral nervous system diagram. So these are, basically the nerves which are from the hands and legs and, the side part of our body, lateral side parts of our body. So these are the peripheral nervous system, and these is the central nervous system. This is the central and this is the peripheral. I hope it's clear. Okay, now the peripheral nervous system has further division, sensory and motor. Okay, sensory is also called afferent division and motor is also called efferent division. Efferent or motor division is also divided in two parts. Okay, further divided in two parts: somatic nervous division, autonomic nervous division. Now the autonomic nervous system is also further divided in two parts, which is sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. Okay, I will explain each of the point in my next video. Okay, so thank you.